let's go and make some sound. Welcome to the music club where music's all around.
Oh, hello and welcome to our musical homes. Today we're going to create or compose some music by exploring our home and finding an object or two to be inspired by. You won't need anything with you except a really positive energy and maybe a sense of humour. But before we do that, we have to get ourselves warmed up. This is a game called Tap the Beat and it's really good for learning about a good steady musical pulse. You have to tap along with Sam and myself, but the number of taps will get less and less as we go along. We're going to start with 8. 8 on our head, 8 on our shoulders, 8 on our knees, and then 8 on our feet. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we're physically warmed up and we're feeling a really strong musical pulse together, we can get our voices warmed up too by singing a song. It's a simple song, a call and response song. I'll sing a line and you can sing it back to me. Tongo,
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 chimney baye baye yo,
chimney ba ba,
chimney baye baye yo,
chimney ba ba,
ooh away,
away,
ooh away,
away,
Balicalo 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 away.
Balicalo away.
Now we're going to use our strong musical pulse and our good warmed up voices to create or compose a very small piece of music. The first thing you have to do is find a room or a space in your home, and in that room or space find an object. I've gone to the kitchen and found a saucepan. Hello, 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 hello. So pause the video here and head off and find a thing to make music out of. Now I'm going to use the word saucepan to create a little rhythm that I can repeat to make a small piece of music. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Saucepan, 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 saucepan. Now pause the video here and create your own piece of music out of your own object. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start singing that rhythm to any notes I like. I'm not going to make it complicated, but it's now going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Saucepan, 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 saucepan. So you pause the video and sing your object now to the same rhythm you composed before. Now my third step is to sing that rhythm again, but also add in one sound I can make with this object. Mine goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Saucepan, 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 saucepan. You can practice it a few times too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Saucepan, 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 saucepan. So pause the video again and see if you can add a sound in to your singing object. Once you've perfected your first piece, I want you to find one or possibly two more objects, and we're going to compose a second very small piece of music. Do you remember? We started with the rhythm created by the words of the objects. So mine goes like this. Toaster, teapot, toaster, teapot, toaster, teapot, toaster, teapot, toaster, teapot, toast. Pause the video and have a go at that yourself. Do you remember what we did next? We sang those words. We don't have to make up a complicated tune, but we're going to sing that rhythm. Mine goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toaster, teapot, toaster, teapot, toaster, teapot, toaster, teapot, toaster, teapot, toast. Pause the video and have a go at that yourself. And then our third step was to add the sound of the objects too. Remember, if you're using anything delicate at home, make sure you ask an adult first whether you can use that object. But here's my little piece. It goes, toaster, teapot, toaster, teapot, toaster, teapot, toaster, teapot, toaster, teapot, toast. You have a go. So now you've got two very small but hopefully brilliant pieces of music. So let's string them together. I'm going to start with my saucepan music and then head to my toaster bit. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Saucepan, 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 saucepan. Toaster, teapot, toaster, teapot, toaster, teapot, toaster, teapot, toaster, teapot, toast. Saucepan, 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 saucepan. Thank you very much, thank you. Thank you very much, thank you. So pause the video again and have a go at your complete piece. Well, how was your piece? Was it great? I wish I could have heard it. Maybe you could record it and send it to somebody you haven't seen for a while. You could still practice it a few more times. Try parts of it louder or parts of it much, much quieter. Anyway, thank you for joining in. Hope you had fun. I have. We're going to end now with a little goodbye song. Bye.